Hi everyone, I'm Mark with Artisan Restoration, and we are up on Washington Island off the tip of Door County, working on a log home that we worked on a couple of years ago for a couple that we were trying to build a house for up here. And the only person that was dumb enough to bid the job was me by supplying the logs and putting up a shell. Nobody else would give anybody a bid on anything, so they decided to buy this house here instead. And a few years ago we did the work on the outside. They stripped all the stain off of it using chemicals and a pressure washer, and we came in and did some log refacing, I guess you'd call it, where we took off bad log. I think that one underneath the doorway was one of them we replaced. Pulled out all the masonry chinking and we put in new acrylic chinking. And so anyhow, we're back here today to do some more work for them. They actually had a spiral staircase going up to the upstairs because the original staircase was installed, and I'll show you that later. It's really steep and not very user-friendly, shall we say. So anyway, our job here is to put a landing down here. That patch in the floor is where the spiral was mounted, and we're going to put this stairway in that they got from Hearthstone Homes. It's all pre-cut, and it should fit just fine. We're going to put that in here. There was actually a set of bookshelves up there that had one of the bookcases was a hidden door. It was really cool. But anyway, that's gone, and here are the new stair stringers that are going in there. They're new timbers, I believe, and they've figured out a way to distress them. And with got some axe marks in here, and it looks like they were buffed or maybe sandblasted, but they're so smooth. I can't believe they were just blasted. But anyway, all our treads have a nice tenon on the end that goes into these pockets here. This is the side that goes against the wall, and the treads on this other side actually, you can't see that, where every other tread is mortared so it goes right straight through the stringer, and we put a wooden peg in that tenon to hold it in place. So anyway, the other part of our job is to cut two windows in this wall above the ridge line for the screen porch that we're putting in. That's a little high, isn't it? Maybe not. We got jacks? Josh, do we have 8 jacks?
I don't know, I haven't seen any more.
Oh, darn it. I sure hope we do. Well, anyway, screen porch, not screen porch, the open porch parts are all sitting out here in the garage. Show you that quick, and then we'll wrap this up. Beautiful property. Beautiful property. We got a log garage here. We did the chinking on that. Did a bunch of epoxy work down here. I was trying to imitate some wood grain on there. When we patched in some bad spots. I've gotten a little better at it since then. But anyhow, here are the treads for the stairway. These are the chunks for the landing that the step sits on, and these are the knee braces that these are the knee braces that go on the timber frame porch, and they've all been hand hewn and distressed. I mean, this is all brand new wood, and I can't believe how realistic the hand hewing and everything looks. The rafters are over here. They're all pre-cut for us, and I'm really anxious to see how well it all fits together. Over the next couple days, we'll show you how that works. Thanks for watching, folks. Have a good one.